everyone, my name is David Richard from Weekly Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review for you all. We'll be taking an in-depth look at the Ancel FX2000, a powerful automotive diagnostic scanner. So, if you're a car enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this review is for you. Let's dive right in. The Ancel FX2000 is a feature-packed diagnostic scanner designed to help you troubleshoot and diagnose issues with your vehicle quickly and accurately. Whether you're dealing with engine problems, ABS issues, or even transmission faults, this scanner claims to have you covered. First off, let's talk about the build quality of the Ancel FX2000. The device feels sturdy and well-built, with a comfortable grip. The 4-inch TFT color display is bright and easy to read, making it user-friendly for both novice and experienced users. Setting up the FX2000 is a breeze. Simply connect the scanner to your vehicle's OBD2 port, which is usually located under the dashboard. The cable is long enough to reach comfortably, and the device powers up quickly. Once you've connected the scanner, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface. The main menu offers various options, including reading and clearing fault codes, accessing live data, performing system tests, and more. It's intuitive and easy to navigate. One of the standout features of the Ancel FX2000 is its extensive vehicle coverage. It supports a wide range of car models, including OBD2, EOBD, and CAN-compliant vehicles. This means you can use it with most cars manufactured from 1996 onwards. The live data feature is particularly impressive. It allows you to monitor real-time information from various sensors in your vehicle, such as engine RPM, coolant temperature, throttle position, and more. This can be incredibly helpful for diagnosing complex issues. In addition to the basic diagnostic functions, the Ancel FX2000 offers advanced features like ABS and senior system diagnosis. It can retrieve and clear ABS and airbag fault codes, helping you pinpoint potential safety concerns. To wrap it up, the Ancel FX2000 is a powerful and versatile automotive diagnostic scanner that offers a great balance of functionality and affordability. Its user-friendly interface, extensive vehicle coverage, and advanced features make it a valuable tool for dealers and professional mechanics alike. Conclusion: the Ancel FX2000 proves to be an impressive automotive diagnostic scanner that caters to both beginners and professionals. Its solid build quality, user-friendly interface, and extensive vehicle coverage make it a valuable tool for anyone dealing with car troubleshooting and diagnostics. The FX2000's ability to read and clear fault codes, access live data, and perform system tests ensures that you have the necessary information to identify and address issues with your vehicle. Moreover, its advanced features, including ABS and senior system diagnosis, provide an added layer of safety. With its bright and readable display, quick setup, and compatibility with a wide range of car models, the Ancel FX2000 stands out as a reliable and versatile device in the market. Whether you're a dealer or a professional mechanic, this scanner can significantly aid you in diagnosing problems and making informed decisions. Overall, based on our review, we highly recommend the Ancel FX2000 to anyone seeking a reliable and feature-packed automotive diagnostic scanner. It's an investment that can save you time, money, and headaches by enabling you to accurately diagnose and resolve issues with your vehicle. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope it was informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.